Hello guys, good morning. This video is about giving the update about week 3 of my weight loss journey. In my earlier video in the week 2, as I have discussed that I have lost approx 5 kg in just 1 week in the first week itself. But this week it did not work this way. I do not know how, why, but I could guess there would be some reason and I could not get a reduction in my weight. This is really very sad moment, but I will try to improve my weight in my next video. First of all, before I continue, and I will share what are the mistakes that could be possible that I would have done, and let's see me on the weighing scale. So as you have seen that my current weight is 70.3 kg and my last weight was 70.4 kg, and my the first weight when I have started making this vlog was 76 kg. So what could be the possibility that I have lost in 1 week 5 kg and the next week just 100 grams? I think many people on Facebook has commented you have lost only 10 gram. I think they are right. They were right. I was thinking it is a joke, but yes, yesterday I have released one of my photo and asked you guys that how much difference you can see in me, and one or two guys has replied that only 10 gram or a little bit. I think they were right. So yes, seriously, I lost just 100 gram, which I will consider that there is no loss in my weight. I did not lose any weight. And see what happens, when you start your weight loss journey, you are motivated, you are highly motivated, and you take your diet, exercise, your habit, everything seriously, right? And then when you get a big achievement like 5 kg lost, you become overconfidence. That is called overconfidence. This is what you should not do, what I have done. Because when I felt that 5 kg I have lost, so what I was thinking that maybe in the next I have taken a 3 months of challenge, right, to lose around 11 kg. And in the first week itself, when I saw that 5 kg is reduced, I have lost 5 kg of my weight, so I was super excited and I think I was overconfident. And this is the reason I did, as you have seen in my post, that I went for a cheat day meal in a restaurant. In the first week, I did not eat anything outside of my home and whatever I have prepared and cooked. So in the first week itself, in the first week, I was always eating. For the entire week, I ate only healthy food. But in the next week, I cheated a little. The first mistake I did, I think this could be a mistake. Maybe this might not be. There could be other reason, but this could be a mistake that I have taken a cheat day, and I ate a lot of high carbs item on that day. So maybe this could be one of the reason. The second reason what I see is I have started taking milk in the next week because I have to change some of my diet. So what I did, I have started mixing the banana whole fruit, the banana fruit in my oatmeal and milk mixture. I think this is the big mistake I did because it become very healthy and very nutritionist and very nutritious. And I think the banana and mix has no proper balance. It is unadaptable in nature. So I think this is the second mistake I did to add. I have added banana in my milk and oatmeal while I was taking my breakfast. The third mistake what I think I had done is I have started taking some chapatis, or in India you can call it roti or you can call it bread, the wheat bread. In my last 2-3 days I have taken 3 breads for my each meal. I think this is the third big mistake I did because the chapati or roti or bread is high in calorie and one bread itself is around 150 calorie or 130, if I'm not wrong, 30 calories. So if I am taking 3 breads, so it is like more than, plus I was taking lean meat and red meat and all, so I think I have crossed my calorie and I could not count it properly. So this is the third mistake I did. So, and the fourth mistake I think I did is a little lack of sleep, or maybe in the exercise. I did not focus more on exercise, as I was I was focusing more on my exercise in the first week. I think I did not exercise much in my second week. I did not run much in my second week, and this is the reason I could not able to reduce it as 1 kg, as it was my target that at least I should reduce 1 kg in 2 weeks, or at least half kg in a week, and that I could not make it. I think these all are the mistakes that I have to rectify, and I have to focus more on this week, in the week 3, and I hope the result will be better. So the lesson what I learned is, never be too excited, never be too overconfident when you are never be too confident when you have achieved something, when you have achieved in your first attempt. Like whenever we go and write exam in the first attempt, if we pass, in the next semester we do not worry much about the subject. We think that, oh, examination is very easy, and then in the next semester we fail. So it is same thing. In any game we went for the first time, and if we win, we would be overconfident, and then we lose the next match. So I think this is what happened with me. I was super excited. I was you can call it overconfidence, that I lost so big amount of weight in my first week itself. So it would be very easy, like a cakewalk for me in the next week. But it did not happen, and I realized my mistake, and I think I can do it better this week. So I will rectify. I promise to myself. Of course I can promise to myself only. I promise to myself that from this week onwards I will be more dedicated. I will not take any advantage of my habit, or of my food, of my journey, but I will be more focused on weight loss, and I will dedicate myself more on this without being super excited or overconfidence. This is the lesson I have learned. Hope it will be helpful to understand your mistake as well, because there are a lot of people who could not lose weight, though he's thinking that he's doing a good diet and is always busy in good exercise and is very active, but still they cannot lose. I think these are the some mistakes that I have done, and maybe you are doing the same, and that is the reason you are unable to lose your weight. So improve yourself, think, do introspect inside you, on your behavior, on your habit, on your diet, on your exercise, and I am sure you will come to know the reason would be very, very normal. So let's see in the next week how much I can achieve. Have a great day. Bye bye.